Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 1973 Caboose here with a real kick in the teeth for everybody tonight. I had gotten the Redden gp18. I actually call it a gp9 because there's no damn difference. It actually run, but it smokes as bad as the Penn Central gp40 that I have on the layout. And I got to do some work on the rear truck to replace with a newer one. I cannot believe that piece of crap runs better on that lower loop than the upper. No, I stopped it, man.
Oh, sorry.
That's my update on the Redden 5513. It will be probably running better when I get the chance to pull out another new truck set for it that will match with the other. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.